Hi there. In this video, we'll show you how to prototype a bottom navigation bar in Wireframes using MockFlow's prototyping feature, all in under 2 minutes. We've already created the components of the bottom navigation bar. To begin, we'll rename these components using MockFlow's layers feature for better organization. Now, let's add the first interaction. Click on the plus icon, choose mouse click as interaction, then select Show Component as the action and pick the components that should appear. At the same time, we'll use the Replace Component action to swap the plus icon with the exit icon when triggered. Next, we'll enhance these actions with effects. For Group 1 and Group 2, we'll add a slide out effect, customizing the time delay for smoother transitions. For the exit icon, we'll use a fade out effect. Moving on to the second interaction, we'll simply reverse the first one. This time, we'll add a Hide Components action for Group 1 and Group 2. And again use Replace Component, but now to swap the exit icon back with the plus icon. Just like before, we'll add effects. Here, Slide In will be applied to Group 1 and Group 2, along with a fade effect for the plus icon. Timing can be customized to make the transition smooth. Once effects are added, set the mobile frame as the primary container. Pause equals 7s, and we'll hide Groups 1 and 2 near the plus icon using the MockFlow's layers feature. Then switch to View mode to test the interaction. When you click the plus icon, the groups appear along with the exit icon, and clicking the exit icon hides them again with smooth transitions. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you can make your wireframe navigation more intuitive and seamless, right from the design stage. Don't forget to subscribe for more MockFlow prototyping tutorials.